Python creates a frame object on every function call. But what's actually stored inside? The key attribute f_locals is a dictionary mapping every local variable name to its current value. You can access it using sys._getFrame, which returns the current frame. Debuggers use this to inspect variables mid-execution. Every frame references a code object through f_code, which holds the function name in co_name, the source file in co_file name, and the compiled bytecode in co_code. The code object is immutable, shared across every call to that function. f_Lenino holds the line number currently executing inside the frame. Debuggers and tracing tools use this attribute to report exact execution position. It increments with each statement the interpreter processes. Frames also carry two namespace dictionaries. f_globals maps to the module level scope. The top level names and functions from the current module. f_built-ins provides Python's built-in scope. Len, print, range, and the rest. Together with f_locals, these three namespaces form Python's complete legB name lookup chain. f_back holds a reference to the caller's frame, forming a linked list up to the module level, where f_back is none. This chain is the Python call stack, and tracebacks traverse it to show where an error originated. Python frame objects store locals, a code reference, the current line, global and built-in namespaces, and a link to the caller. Follow for more advanced Python. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.